Good morning, student. How are you? And I think you are safe at home and be doing your work or homework and study on regular basis. And today we will start the exercise problem of class 9th subject science chapter 8 motion. And today we will discuss question number 1, page number 112. This is page number 112 exercise test book question, page 112. And today we will discuss question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and 6. I think graphically it will take time for you. And 7. Few questions we will discuss. 8, 9 and 10. Except 7 and 8. First. And question number first. Here is question number solution 1. Solution 1. Question number first. Listen carefully. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. Means one athlete completes circular track. Mean cover the path of a circular track which has the radius, which has the diameter, 200 meter. It means this diameter circle whose diameter is 200, this diameter is 200. AB is diameter of circle is equal to 200 meter. Mean a person, an athlete complete one round. Complete one round means start from here B and then come to its original position A. It means initial and final point will be same, then it means it complete one round. And you know very well, in complete one round where initial and final point will same, that means the displacement is equal to 0 and the distance is equal to the circumference of a circle, which is equal to 2 pi r in one round. And I already told you how we can calculate the distance or displacement. It means diameter, it means one round, time taken in one round, time taken to complete one round is equal to 40 seconds. What will be the distance and covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? It means if the time taken to complete one round is 40 seconds, then total time is equal to 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Then we have to convert what? In second. This is equal to 2 into 60. Why? 2. 1 minute is equal to 60. 60 into 2 plus 20. It is equal to 140 seconds. It means total time is equal to 140 seconds. And in one round, in first part, in one round, distance is equal to, you know what is distance? Distance is equal to circumference of circle. Circumference of circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. distance in one round, distance is equal to circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, and displacement is equal to 0. Why? Initial and final point will same. Sorry, first, but now the total time, number of round, distance covered by an athlete in 140 seconds. It means number of round in 140 second is equal to, what is the formula is, number of round is total time upon में time taken to complete one round. Total time is equal to upon में time taken to complete one round. Total time is 140 upon में 40, 0, this will be 2 and 7 is equal to 3.5 round. It means total round is 3.5 round, means 3 complete round and half plus half round. And then what is the distance? And diameter is equal to 200, radius is equal to d upon में 2, 200 upon में 2 is equal to 100 meter. Number of round is 3.5, and first part, distance covered in 140 second is equal to n number of round, numbers of round, number of rounds into में circumference is equal to, what is the number of round? 3.5 into में circumference is 2 pi r. What is r? 3.5 into में 2, 22. This is 3.14, 3.14, or you can take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. What is r? R is equal to 100. And now this multiple point remove, and that will be placed. Point remove. This will be 10 into में 2 into में 22 upon 7 into में 100. This 7, this 5. Cut 5 on the 5 to the, and this 2 will cut. This will be multiplied, which is equal to 200 meter. Then the distance is equal to 200 meter. 2200 meter is the distance covered in 3.5 round. Means one round 2 pi r into one round 2 pi r plus 3 round this, and this will be half pi r. This is 3.5. And what is the displacement? And now the displacement. And the second point is displacement. Here is complete one round displacement in total displacement is equal to displacement in 3 round plus displacement in half round. Displacement 3 round means it complete round. Initial and final point will same, that means 0. In 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, the displacement is always equal to 0 plus displacement to 1 by 2 in half round. Where is half round? From A to B. This is AB, and AB is diameter. So this means AB is diameter. So that means 200 meter. Then displacement in, this is displacement. That means we can say the distance covered in 3.5 round is 2200 meter and displacement is the diameter, because starting point is A and final point is B, and the shortest path between A and B, which is equal to the diameter. We know the displacement is the shortest path between A and B, which is diameter, and this is equal to 200 meter. Therefore displacement is 200 meter. And now move to question number 2. And question number 2. Joseph job from 1 and A. Second. Question 2. From 1 and A. 1 and A to another and B in a straight path. This is a straight path and is of a straight path 300 meter. This is 300 meter. This is A and this is B and this is 300 meter. And in 2 minutes, time taken, this is time taken in 2 minutes. And now, and then turn around means if I move in a straight path, then turn around means back, and turn around means from B it will turn this point. This is the direction. Turn round and jog 100 meter. It means this point C, from B to C it jog 100 meter and in 1 minute. It means time taken by Joseph from B to C, which is 100 meter distance, is 1 minute. What is the Joseph average speed and velocities in jogging from A to B and A to C? Means we have to find out average speed and average velocity from A to B. First part, average speed from A to B. First part, the distance from A to B is AB. The distance from A to B is AB, which is equal to 300 meter. It is clear? And now the time taken from A to B is, what is this? 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 2 into 60 is equal to 120 seconds. And then average speed. Tell me the formula of average speed. What is the formula of average speed? Tell me the formula of average speed. This is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Here is 2 minutes 30 seconds is equal to 2 into 60 plus में 30 is equal to 150 seconds. And average speed, what is the average speed formula? Total distance upon my total time. From A to B, the total distance is 300, and from A to B, the total time is 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 seconds. It means 2 into 60 plus 30 is equal to 150. This is equal to 300 upon में 150 is equal to, this will cut is to 2 meter per second. It means average speed is equal to 2 meter per second. And the total velocities or average velocity when an object move in a straight path without change in direction. If an object does not change its direction, that means the average speed and average velocity will same. Why there is no change in the direction? That means average speed and average velocity will same, or we can calculate by using formula. From A to B distance is 300 and displacement is also 300, and the time taken from A to B is same as 150 second. We can say the average speed as well as average velocity is same when an object move in straight path without change its direction. B part. Here is displacement from A to B is same as 300 meter, and time from A to B, time taken from A to B is 150 second. Then average velocity is equal to displacement upon में time taken. What is the displacement? Is 300 upon में time taken is 150. This will cut to, this is 2 meter per second. It means when an object move in a straight path, its average speed as well as average velocity will same. And now if from A to C, here is A2, we will change only this one. And now B part. From A to C, from A to C, first from A to B, the distance from A to C, first we move from A to B, A to C, first we go from A to B and then come back from first A to B, AB plus BC. Joseph move from A and reach to B, AB, and then come to back C. So what is AB? Is 300 meter plus में 100 meter is equal to 400 meter. This is the distance. And the time taken from A to C, time taken from A to B is 2 minutes 30 seconds plus, and time taken from B to C is 1 minute. And this value is 150 second plus में 60 second is equal to 210 second. Then the average speed from A to C, what is the average speed? Total distance upon में total time. What is the total distance? 400 upon में what is the total time? 210, 0, 40 upon में 20 meter per second, and simplify it. Total distance, it means actual path covered by an object. Actual path means first is move from A to B and then come to C. It means 300 plus 100, this is 400, and time taken 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 minute. 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 minute is equal to 150, and the average speed. And the displacement from A to C. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final. My initial point is A and final point is B. Total AB is equal to 300 minus this will be A to C. This will be 200 meter. The displacement from A to C is AB minus BC. Because why minus? Because return back toward the A. It means when we change the direction, then the displacement will automatically change. Here is AB 300 meter minus 100 meter is equal to 200 meter. And the time taken from A to C. Time taken is same as, because the time taken from A to B and then B to C is same, which is equal to 210. This is same, 210 second. Then average velocity, displacement upon my time taken. What is the displacement? 200 upon my time taken. What is time taken? 210. And this will be 20 upon my 21, which is approximately 0.9. You can calculate yourself. Meter per second and convert into decimal. You have to change into decimal. This is the second question of exercise, in which we have to find out the distance and displacement. And now move to question number 3. Third is Abdul while driving to school. School की तरफ he is moving toward the school and compute the average speed of his trip is 20 km per hour. Means driving from point A and reach to the school B at an average speed of 20 km per hour. And I told you that we can write 20 km per hour. And then on return the same route, for the same route, first he start and reach to the school with the average speed is 20 km per hour. That means average speeds means it is not compulsory the speed of car or scooter or bus is 20 km per hour at every point. It may be less or increase, but average speed will be 20 km per hour. And return to the same path. First he move toward and this. Return to the same path. There is less traffic. Due to the less traffic. When traffic is less, then the average speed will increase kilometer per hour. And what is the average speed of the Abdul? Okay. This question we can use by direct formula, or direct formula I will explain later on, but we have to use some point. A to B, let we know that we have to know distance between AB is x. Let distance between A to B is, what is this? X, kilometer. If the distance from A to B is to x kilometer and the Abdul is driving toward the school at an average speed of 20 km per hour, what is the speed? Speed S1, V1 is the speed. Speed of bus or car. Vehicles is equal to, what is average speed? 20 km per hour. This is the average speed of car. If this is average, then the time taken from A to B, this is T1. And T1 time taken from A to B is T1, which is equal to, what is the formula of time? Distance upon speed. What is the distance? X. What is the speed? 20. And this will be R. It will be R. And then again, on returning, speed is equal to, for that is 30 km per hour. And what is the distance? Distance is same. Distance is equal to x kilometer. And what is the time taken? Time is equal to t2. What is the formula of time? Distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. What is the distance? X. What is speed? 30. This is r. It means when he start from A and reach to B, then the time taken is t1, and the which is equal to x upon 20, and when he return, it's with a speed of 30 km per hour. Then the time taken t2, which is equal to x upon 30. Then total time taken, total time for whole trip, is equal to t1 plus t2. What is t1? Now tell me, x upon 20 plus x upon 30. And you have to find the solution of this. You find yourself. And the answer will be, you find yourself, please. Answer will be this one, 5x upon 60. And it is your answer is R, in R. It means total time taken for the whole trip is 5x upon 60, and we can simplify 1, and this is 12. Then the time taken x upon 12 for the whole trip. Then what is average speed for the whole trip? What the question is asking? Average speed of whole trip. Average speed of whole trip. Average speed means total distance upon my total time is equal to, what is the total distance? From A to B, x, and from B to A, x plus x. Total distance x plus x upon my total time, x upon 12, and this 12 will be moving upward. 2x upon x into 12. This x will cut. What is your answer? Is equal to 24 kilometer per hour. That means average speed is 24 kilometer per hour. This is your solution. And we can use the direct formula for this also. When the average speed is given and the formula is, and for direct formula or direct average speed for whole trip is equal to, listen carefully formula. This will be, what is your, as v1 mean speed 1 into speed 2 upon v1, and this will be, what is this, v1 plus v2. What is v1? 20, and what is v2? 30 upon and we have to add, this will be 20 plus 50, this is 50, 0, and this will be 4, and into this will be multiplied by 2, and this will be 1224 kilometer per hour. We can apply direct formula also. These are the two ways by which the question number 3 can be solved. And now this you have to, the similar question you have to do yourself, but we will discuss the different type of question later on, but simply we are solving only from NCERT. And the question which is related to this topic and you have to solve yourself, and which is not related to this, different from this concept, I will solve that question.